Hey, what's up guys, it's Zach. This video is just a basic tutorial of how to get started with Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017. So by the way, I'm using the trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro. You can find it in the official site and it'll give you a trial version of about 7 days. So I did make a video, you'll find it here in the cards, of how to increase trial periods of Adobe products. I used it with a Lightroom 2015, but I use the same method with Adobe Premiere Pro 2017 CC and it works absolutely fine. So for the first start, a window will open like this. Here is the new project, here is open project for previously saved projects, and Steam projects. This is just a basic tutorial. I'll start with new project. And after this, you can give a name to this. Say I'll give it project 1, and you can just set the display format, the capture format. I just like the way it is, so okay. And after that, it'll open like this. So the first thing you need to do before doing any kind of thing is create a sequence right here. So press Ctrl N and something like this will pop up. So here you need to set some preset. Here is the R3D red. Okay, so I set it manually. You can do that with a preset as well. So here is the editing format. I keep it to 720p because my video doesn't go over 720p, and I just like to keep it the way it is. It's just basic. So, and I give a name to the sequence. Let's say test, and we are done. So after that, we come in here, and here is, we can create a couple of sequences, but as it is just basic, even I do with one single sequence. You can do a couple of sequences, but that's not needed for now. So yeah, and now here are the few things. This one you can see all editing of the video. This one you can select a clip from here and you can just edit all the things out here. Then you can rearrange all these tabs. I have rearranged them as per my need. And after that, here is the place where you can view the files of the project, view the media browser, choose a file from. Then we have got effects to use effects in videos and audios, and history, the most important one, because here each and every step of what you do is counted, so you can redo and undo things right here. So that is pretty nifty. And we'll just get into our project. Yeah. So, and this is the soundbar, of course, and this is where you can edit all your videos and images. So here are a couple of tabs as well. Assembly for dragging and dropping your videos and files. Then editing, the main editing area where you would edit all those files. Color for color correcting your videos. Effects for adding effects. Audio for enhancing the audio. Graphics for adding effects on your text. And libraries, you can also edit these, but I like the way they are. So let's get to assembly and import something. So I'll import this. Just drag and we're done. It's so easy. It's that easy. And we'll drag a video now. Here we are with the video. Return back to editing, and then the soundbar comes with a video as well. So in here there are a couple of tracks, track for video 1, video 2, video 3, or photos equally. Then we have a track for audio 1, audio 2, audio 3. You can delete tracks as well, but I won't do that. I'll keep it as it is. So you can lock these tracks, so you can't make any changes to this track anymore. Unlock them. You can mute an audio track so that you won't be able to listen to that particular track. So you can select like these and move, and you can select on a whole and move. So yeah, that is there. You can double click on the item and play that particular item. You can edit effects, controls, and everything. Again, if you do want me to do some explained videos on Premiere Pro on some particular function, like how to add pan to your photos, how to add motion and effects to your text, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely show that, as this is a basic tutorial just to get started with video editing. I'm not going to show anything like that. So yeah, you can increase the video like this. You can decrease it, but for the video you can't increase it. You can definitely decrease it because it's the same time, a lot of time. Now here is the toolbar. Here are some of the tools. I'll show you some of them. First being the text tool. Here click on the T or just type T on your keyboard and click here once. Something will show up in here, but my computer is kind of under spec, so it's not showing up, but definitely it's going to be showed on yours. And after just clicking on this, just randomly type, so I'll type exploring tech, and after that something appears in here. I'll probably move it and double click on it, go to essential graphics, and you can find here the exploring tech thing. So let's see how it looks. So here, so to position that, click on this and it'll be positioned. So there you go. So you can do a lot of things in here, add favorite fonts, decrease the size and everything, but I'll not show again. If you do want to let me show you guys how to do these things, please let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely work on that. So yeah, this is it. And another tool that I want to show, this is select tool. Obviously this is the cut tool. You can cut your videos like this in the cut tool. That is pretty nifty as well, so that is useful. And after we have all done this, and to save the video, press Ctrl+Shift+S and select the project and click on save. You need to export, and again there's something called keyboard shortcuts. Here you can just find out what are the shortcuts. You can customize them as per your own benefits. So yeah, and after that, to export, press Ctrl+M and this window will appear. And you can also, in here, you can just set the in and out points of the video that you want to export. After that, the format, I keep it to H.264, and if you don't want any kind of harassment, just match the keep the option to match source high bitrate, and that will give you the best quality out here. But there's an YouTube option as well, where I keep it to say YouTube 720p, and I need not make any kind of change in here and just export it. That's all that we need to do in this one. So but with Adobe Premiere Pro you can do a whole lot of things. And again, I'm telling you guys, if you do want to let me describe in detail on some kind of part, like adding pan to a photo, how to add motion to a photo, add effects to the titles and in here, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely do a video on that. And if you have been liking this video, do give a thumbs up to this video and make sure to subscribe to my videos to get more tutorials and interesting videos like this. So that's been it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and until then, keep editing and exploring.